It's done at the moment, but still, legs working. Look at that. Look at the legs, how work they do. Really is enjoying so far. Oh yeah.
It's like, what are you looking at?
What are you doing to me, baby?
Poor guys.
Oops.
Poor guy and wife.
So if you look at the, yeah, I'm filming. So if you look at the female, the size of a female, how big is compared to the male. Male's very small, tiny one. Female's large. Look at that.
Yeah.
But look at the eyes of them. We call it terran. So one eye is look at us, and one eye look at you guys. So they'll turn the eyes easily to back and forward. Is watching.
Big five.
They aren't shy anyway.
You know, I don't know you guys how much like